The American tradition of eating fruitcake around the holidays stemmed from the British tradition when the dessert was sometimes called Christmas cake or plum cake. This fruitcake was incredibly popular in Victorian England when it became a vital part of celebrating holidays and weddings. Do remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this.
We are making fruit cake. So this is our KitchenAid mixer, our ingredients and spice, mixed spice, cinnamon extract, egg extract, vanilla, food browning, rum, almond, nutmeg, egg, necessary thing that make cake, lime zest, alright, lime juice, all natural we're using here,
egg,
straight from the farm,
baking
powder,
bulk wine,
molasses,
cinnamon powder, mixed spice,
flour, baking flour, butter, sugar, and that's it for now. So first, gonna break how many eggs?
6 eggs. But you break them separately. So if one should be bad, you don't bring it out. It's 1.
This is the second one. So now we gotta whisk our 6 egg. So we gotta add vanilla to our egg. What amount of vanilla is that?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of vanilla. We gotta add food browning.
5.
How many?
5.
5 tablespoons of food browning. We're gonna add molasses. What amount? 2 tablespoons of molasses. So we gotta add, what is this?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg extract. What amount? 1 tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Then we'll add again.
1 cinnamon.
1 tablespoon. What kind of spoon is that?
Teaspoon.
1 teaspoon cinnamon extract. Mixed spice. What amount?
1.
1 teaspoon mixed spice.
Almond.
1 teaspoon almond.
That's it. Liquid.
Properly.
This one, make sure say the molasses don't stick to the bottom of the plate.
So remember, we're making food cake, and food cake is famous for Christmas time and family get together. So we gotta add some lime juice as well, half teaspoon lime juice. So we gotta add our mixture to the bowl. What we have in the bowl before?
Just the egg.
Egg alone?
The egg.
What was in this mixing?
Creaming
Sugar and
method.
butter.
Half cup butter
That
add.
time we did
1 cup
what did they
sugar.
call that?
Cream.
cream the sugar and butter. So that was it. What's in the baking bowl before. So we're using our KitchenAid countertop mixer. So we gotta add mixed spice powder, 1/4 teaspoon. So we don't add them in a liquid already, so add them in a powder as well?
Yeah.
Alright, so we add them in a liquid and we add them in a powder. What is this?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon.
Baking powder.
What amount?
1.5. So this is 1 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon.
1.5 teaspoon baking powder. What is this?
Lime zest.
Lime zest. What is lime zest? From the lime?
Yeah.
So what amount is that?
Go off.
1/2 teaspoon lime zest. So we gotta add salt. What amount of salt?
Off.
1/2 teaspoon of salt. What about this? What is this?
Or nutmeg.
What amount of nutmeg?
1.
1 teaspoon nutmeg. And we mix again.
Yeah. 30 seconds.
At what speed?
Slow speed 1. That's it.
So here's our fruit. So we gotta blend
2 cups.
2 cups of fruit in our blender. Right. So after blend our raisin, we're gonna add it to the mixer, the bowl. So we gotta add some 1/4 cup of rum. You can use rum every time, but we're using Real Neville overbrew. And we're using some wine. So we gotta add flour to the bowl with all the
This is 1 cup.
1 cup of flour. So we use 1.5 cup of flour. So this is our cup. This is baking flour.
Cake.
So we're using an unmix, an unformula here. Cut and fold process. Before we do the mixing in the machine.
No, we're not using machine.
So the machine complete, not using the machine anymore?
No. Machine complete now.
So what's the difference if we use the machine? What will happen?
That make it too light.
So something wrong with that?
Too much here I got incorporate in it. Fruit cakes are not normally light cakes.
Alright, so I guess I get all the ingredients and the process and the method.
And you put your oven at 365, so you're on 365 degrees.
So after we finish the cut and fold with our ingredients, here is our baking, what are these? Tin foil.
Yeah. just trying to lightly butter it. Then we're going to add some flour so that it don't stick in the pan.
So we butter the piles. We get some flour. So this is for making the cake non-stick. See inside it now? See it? So this is how you get a non-stick process.
But you have non-stick baking then, or you can use grease paper.
So you what amount? You don't pull it, right? Alright, next. So what size container then?
Six.
6 what? Ounce?
Yes.
Next one. Next one. Let me count it. Not too much now. So this is our oven.
And this is a water bath
Why?
so that the cake don't dry out.
Alright, what about the cake that dry out?
Leave to bake for 30 minutes.
Wine, basic,
Wine and what?
a little sugar.
Wine and sugar base. So they use the base to top of the cake.
Yeah.
Wine and sugar base.
So you.
That keep the cake moist.
Yeah.
Don't interfere with the flavor.
No.
If you think this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Do remember to check out my channel, Chef Rollin Cooking, for more recipes like this. That's my official cooking channel, Chef Rollin Cooking. Check it out. How much apple bun?
One
On each one?
or
Put 2. So this is my finished fruit cake. Fruit cake, share it with family and friends.
You're going to share it with any family and friends, sir?
Always share it with family and friends.
Did you help the baker bake?
I do the recording.